Betelgeuse, that huge red star in Orion, has always wowed us with its bright red color and size. If it were in our solar system, it would stretch past Jupiter. It's so big, it's probably nearing the end of its life and might explode as a supernova. But lately, Betelgeuse has been acting weird. It got 50% brighter, jumping from the 10th to the 7th brightest star we can see. This made scientists wonder what was up. Was it about to blow, or was it just having a moment? If Betelgeuse goes supernova, it'll be super bright, like daylight. This would give scientists a great chance to learn a lot. A star's brightness depends on its size, hotness, and how far away it is. Betelgeuse is huge, over 700 times bigger than the Sun, but cooler at around 3000 Kelvin, which makes it look reddish. Big and relatively cool makes it a good candidate for a supernova, so its recent behavior is interesting. Around late 2019, Betelgeuse surprised everyone by dimming to about 40% of its usual brightness. You could even see it without a telescope. People started watching it closely and guessing what was happening. Some thought dust was blocking the light, while others figured something was going on inside the star. The idea of a supernova soon became a hot topic. Using the Very Large Telescope, VLT, in Chile, scientists got some detailed images of Betelgeuse while it was dimming. The photos showed that the star seemed very unstable. It looked like it had thrown off a lot of stuff from its surface into space. Like a giant volcano exploding, Betelgeuse shot out over 400 billion metric tons of material, way more than our Sun ever does. This changed how the star looked and even messed up its regular rhythm. It usually expands and contracts every 400 days, but now it was doing it in just 200. These big changes suggest that Betelgeuse is getting more and more unpredictable, making people ask how much longer it can hold itself together. Because it's acting so strangely, astronomers are keeping a close watch, looking for signs that it's about to collapse. When a big star like Betelgeuse runs out of fuel, its core caves in, causing a supernova. This huge explosion releases crazy amounts of energy, pushing the star's outer layers out and creating a bright light we can even see during the day. If Betelgeuse explodes, the first sign will be a burst of neutrinos. These tiny particles can escape the star's core almost at the speed of light and would reach us hours before we see anything. When the light arrives, Betelgeuse could outshine the full moon, making shadows and lighting up the night sky for weeks. A supernova like this would give scientists an amazing chance to watch a star die in real time. By studying the light, heat, and particles it sends out, they could learn a ton about how stars live and die. To try and figure out what's going on with Betelgeuse, scientists are using super powerful computers to build models of the star's insides. These models use information from telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, and the VLT to help experts figure out why Betelgeuse is so jumpy. The models suggest there's a big empty space inside the star that's messing with its rhythm. JWST has taken pictures of the stuff Betelgeuse has thrown out, showing complex clouds of gas and dust around it. This indicates that Betelgeuse might be in the last part of its life, giving us a rare look at how giant stars age. Although scientists think Betelgeuse might explode sometime in the next 10,000 to 100,000 years, its weird behavior suggests it could happen sooner. The astronomy world is trying to record every detail before it does, so we don't miss anything. In late 2023, JWST took another look at Betelgeuse and saw something surprising. The star, already weak from throwing off so much stuff, seemed to have an internal collapse. Scientists saw changes in the star's core that messed with its nuclear reactions, suggesting problems in its rhythms. The star's surface used to expand and contract every 400 days, but suddenly it shortened to 200 days, indicating a big problem inside. Simulations show that the core is getting less and less stable as it starts making heavier elements. Apparently, when stars get to this point, they start forming iron, which is the final stage before they die. Unlike lighter elements, fusing iron doesn't release energy, causing the core to collapse. Betelgeuse's recent actions have caused a lot of debate about when it will go supernova. Some say it could happen in centuries, while others think it's still millennia away. Either way, it looks like Betelgeuse's time as a red supergiant is coming to an end. One of the main signs of a supernova is an increase in neutrinos, those tiny particles that appear right before the core collapses. Scientists are watching Betelgeuse closely for these bursts with detectors all over the world. Even though the supernova will be amazing to see, scientists say it won't hurt Earth. But it could be as bright as the full moon, creating shadows and lighting up the sky for a long time. It'll be a thrill for stargazers and a source of data for scientists. Betelgeuse shows us that the universe is full of mysteries. This incredible star continues to challenge what we know about how stars change. As Betelgeuse keeps surprising us with its dimming, eruptions, and strange behavior, it reminds us how much we still have to learn. Its upcoming explosion gives us a unique chance to see the end of a giant star up close. Understanding what's happening with Betelgeuse isn't just about one star. It helps us understand how galaxies work, how elements are spread around the universe, and even how life itself began. It broadens our view of the universe and our place in it. Modern tools, like the VLT and JWST, have opened up exciting ways to look for signs of a supernova. That's something we used to only see in science fiction. This tech helps us run simulations, learn about stars, and explore the history of the universe, helping us understand reality itself. For scientists, discoveries like this are exciting and important. They push the boundaries of what we know and keep us exploring the cosmos. Next time you look at Orion's belt, remember that one of those bright spots is a star nearing its end. So, what do you think? Are we seeing the last moments of a star about to explode, or is it just another chapter in its life? Join the discussion about one of the universe's most fascinating stars. And if you can, watch the sky. As we continue to watch Betelgeuse and its conduct, one thing is clear: this star is more than just a twinkle in the sky. It's like a living lab, giving scientists rare access to the forces that control the birth and death of giant stars. Every change in brightness, every burst of stuff it throws off, and every change in its rhythm gives us clues about how stars work. One of the most interesting things about Betelgeuse is that it's in a rare stage of its life. As a red supergiant, it's in its final act, but the road to supernova is complicated. The exact reasons for its strange behavior are still being studied. While the event when it threw off a bunch of stuff was one of the biggest ever seen, it might just be the beginning of a longer process that ends with the star's demise. It's also exciting to think that Betelgeuse's explosion could answer some big questions in astrophysics. The death of a star like Betelgeuse might help us understand dark matter, how the universe is expanding, and how stars and planets are created. These discoveries could change our view of the universe and how it has evolved over billions of years. Studying Betelgeuse is part of a global effort to understand the final stages of massive stars, which we rarely get to see up close. Could Betelgeuse be more than just what we see? While most stars end their lives far away and over long periods of time, a star like Betelgeuse showing signs of an upcoming explosion gives us a great chance to watch it happen. One question remains: how much time does Betelgeuse have before it explodes? The timing is still uncertain, and astronomers are constantly changing their estimates as they get new information. Some think a supernova could happen sooner than we expect, while others think we might still have to wait thousands of years. Either way, the fascination with the star's dramatic ending is clear. In the meantime, scientists are continuing to observe Betelgeuse using powerful instruments, both on Earth like the VLT and in space like JWST. What they learn from these observations will improve our models of how stars change and increase our understanding of the forces that shape reality. As Betelgeuse's story continues, it remains a powerful symbol of the universe's size and complexity. While many stars go through transformations, few give us such a clear view into the final stages of stellar life. Its upcoming supernova promises to be a big event, one that allows scientists to uncover cosmic mysteries and expand our knowledge of stars, galaxies, and the universe. Even though we can't predict when Betelgeuse will explode, one thing is certain: its demise will be a turning point in the story of astronomy. For scientists, it represents a rare opportunity for discovery. For all of us, it's a breathtaking reminder of the universe's beauty and the enigmas it still holds. Betelgeuse's recent actions have sparked debates about when it might explode. Some say it could happen in centuries, while others think it could still be thousands of years away. Either way, it's clear that Betelgeuse's time as a red supergiant is coming to an end. A key sign of an upcoming supernova is a spike in neutrino emissions, tiny particles that emerge just before the core collapses. Scientists are closely watching Betelgeuse for these spikes with detectors around the world, ready to catch this brief warning. Even though the supernova will be an amazing sight, visible even in daylight, researchers say it won't hurt Earth. Still, it could be as bright as the full moon, creating eerie shadows and lighting up the night for a long time. This event will not only excite stargazers but also give us real-time scientific data. Betelgeuse's story shows that the universe is full of mysteries. This star, which has fascinated people for ages, continues to challenge our understanding of how stars evolve. As Betelgeuse keeps surprising us with its dimming, eruptions, and strange behavior, it reminds us how much we still have to learn. Its upcoming explosion provides a unique chance to see the end of a giant star up close. Learning about these things helps us understand not only stars but also the galaxy, how elements are distributed, and even the origins of life. This knowledge deepens our understanding of our place in the universe. Modern telescopes, like the VLT on Earth and JWST in space, have opened up exciting ways to spot the signs of an approaching supernova, a phenomenon that was once just science fiction. These advances help us create simulations, better understand star behavior, and explore cosmic history, helping us figure out how the universe works. For scientists like Neil deGrasse Tyson, these discoveries spark excitement and drive for further exploration. They push the boundaries of what we know and inspire us to keep exploring the cosmos. So, the next time you see Orion's belt, remember that one of those bright stars is telling the story of a star nearing its end. What do you think? Are we seeing the final moments of a star about to explode, or just another interesting chapter in its life? Join the conversation about one of the universe's most fascinating stars. And remember to keep looking up. As we continue to watch Betelgeuse and its behavior, one thing is clear: this star is more than just a twinkle in the sky. It's a live laboratory, giving scientists rare access to the subtle forces that govern the birth and death of giant stars. Every flare, every ejection of matter, and every change in its rhythm offers clues about how stars work inside. One of the most captivating things about Betelgeuse is that it's in a very rare phase of its life. As a red supergiant, it's in its final act, but the road to supernova is anything but simple. The exact reasons for its irregular behavior are still being studied. While the mass ejection event was one of the biggest ever seen, it might just be the start of a more complex series of events leading to the star's demise. Equally interesting is the idea that Betelgeuse's explosion could answer some of the biggest questions in astrophysics. The death of a star like Betelgeuse might shed light on dark matter, cosmic expansion, and the processes that create stars and planets. These revelations could refine our understanding of the universe and its multi-billion-year history. Studying Betelgeuse is part of a global effort to understand the final stages of massive stars, which we rarely get to see in real time. Could Betelgeuse be more than meets the eye? While most stars end their lives far away and over vast periods of time, a star like Betelgeuse showing signs of an imminent explosion offers an unprecedented opportunity for observation. One question remains: how much time does Betelgeuse have before its cataclysmic finale? The timeline is still unclear, with astronomers constantly updating their predictions as new data comes in. Some suggest the supernova could happen sooner than expected, while others think we may still have to wait thousands of years. Regardless, the fascination surrounding the star's dramatic end is undeniable. In the meantime, scientists will continue to observe Betelgeuse using powerful telescopes, both on Earth and in space. Insights from these observations will improve our models of stellar evolution and enhance our understanding of the cosmic forces shaping reality.